Got a nice LX 470 here that I'm about to put a Cruiser Company rear bumper on. That thing is a badass piece of equipment. Hard to manage by yourself. So yeah, you take the cover pieces off like that. Take the side pieces off. I'm about to have to drill this out to 14 millimeter. Take the trailer hitch out. Take the tow hooks out. And then we'll see where we go next. Before I put it on here though, I added the tread plate, the reverse lights, the brake lights, turn signals, and it'll make it a lot easier once it's on there to wire it all up. More in a minute. So this is a much thicker cross member. We'll try to get it out of there and grind that. Next up, the suck of cutting that out. We went ahead and cut it at an angle like that so you could get to it. You're gonna lose that, but it's still well attached. More for the scrap metal pile. This thing's all ready to go. Got it propped up on a bar right there so I can slide it up under. Yeah, I think it's ready. So the little backing plates that go behind these bolts have a tab on them, and the tab gets in the way once the bumper goes all the way in. So I had to loosen all of these bolts on both sides and push everything back just enough to get the plates out, cut the tips off the plates, put them back in there. And then once I get these back on, I'll be able to mess around with these plates in there and get a couple bolts in at least. All right, got it on. Super clean. About to do the swing out now. Got those plates set right on the side. Yeah, like it. Nice and tight. All right, got that thing finished up. Pretty cool little setup here. Got like a bump stop to keep this from bouncing. Nice setup. Yep. I like it. All that's left is to hook up the lights and it'll be done.